I cleaned them because I was bored.
Bored.
I was bored.
That fucking dryer's on. I can't even believe it.
Yeah, because I had clothes that needed to dry.
I get it.
Is your dad finally back?
I don't know.
I mean, our dad, he's kind of adopted me. He acts like my father sometimes. Yeah, I cleaned the microwave, part of the kitchen counter. Underneath that, where the towels now at. And also I cleaned that last thing that needed to be cleaned. And the microwave too.
Is it him?
And dishes.
My dad thought it was here.
Oh, it sounds like it.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter.
Did you actually walk all the way over here? Hey sis, did you actually walk all the way over here? I said, did you walk all the way over here from Ontario?
No.
Hell no? Okay. Where's the kids?
In the car, going out.
Alright, okay.
I'll be back in a little bit.
I love you, sis. And that's my sister slash cousin. Don't ask me why or how I say it like that. I know it sounds like a stupid redneck thing. Yeah, but she is cool. She's awesome sometimes. Don't piss her off though. She'll get fucking mad. Well, that stuff's taken care of. Hey, you're still on. Yeah, well, heck, I might take a few more pictures in this selfie. But first, go that way. And now the selfie. Well, I am done. I'm going to turn on my phone. It's still on charger, so I'll let you guys go. I have to upload this video so later. So, yeah. Peace.